Not really a brew video today, folks, but did want to talk a little bit about process. Eva's out here with me. It's really early. If you're curious on brewing Kolsch, look down below on the list of videos and you'll see more than one on brewing it. I actually have a video on doing Brewer's Best Kolsch, which is a good beer, although they don't use authentic Kolsch yeast. And then I have my all grain brewing, and I've done Kolsch a number of times, so you folks can certainly learn how to brew it by just watching the video. It's very easy. The grain bill is very straightforward. If you're doing a 5-gallon batch, it's 9 pounds of Pilsner. If you're doing a 10-gallon batch, it's 18. It's either crystal or Hallertauer hops for 60 minutes, and then finish off with Tettnang in the last 20 minutes. And that's kind of all there is to it. And I always use the liquid Kolsch yeast. Well, I don't always use it. I've experimented with some dry Kolsch yeast, which was, I'd say I had maybe a 75% success rate with it as far as what I felt the flavor was. So I'm sticking with 2565Y yeast as my Kolsch. But aside from that, just a reminder to always follow the process when you're brewing. Getting things set up in an orderly fashion and making sure that you're sanitizing all your equipment so that you don't have a problem later on. And that's kind of it. You can see I've got pretty much everything set up here. I've got, sorry about the camera, I got the water heating right now. And I got my buddy Al coming down in a little bit to kind of keep me company, because as most of you know, brewing can be boring, especially those times where it's either in the mash tun for an hour, or when you're sparging. That's even more boring. But it's stuff that you have to keep an eye on. You can't just walk away, especially when you're boiling, unless you want to have a really sticky, bad accident. So anyway, that's kind of it. Stay tuned as always for our videos on beer culture twice a month. I got some really good ones coming up that I think you're going to enjoy. Stories that you probably haven't heard before, but make for good conversation. And that's it. I hope you guys have a great day, and cheers. This has been a Matty Boy presentation. Say bye-bye, Matty. Bye-bye.